Abe, a tri-state lawyer previously convicted of trespassing in his ex-girlfriend's apartment is in more legal trouble tonight.
This time he's accused of plotting to damage her car. Our James Pilcher has been digging into the case and joins us now with a story you will see here only on Local 12 News. James?
This is Chase Cox here behind me, a Northern Kentucky lawyer and son of another well-known Northern Kentucky defense attorney. This summer, a Campbell County jury convicted him of criminal trespass and mischief for being in his ex-girlfriend's apartment, although they acquitted him of more serious felony charges. A judge sentenced him to 6 months in jail, but Cox only spent about a month and a half behind bars before being released on shock probation. Prosecutors tried to get that revoked in September, saying he violated his probation by having a friend to his home and drinking alcohol, but a judge kept his probation in place. But then last week, Newport police obtained an indictment shown here accusing Cox of plotting to damage his ex's vehicle back in August. Now he's charged with criminal mischief and retaliating against a participant in the legal process, both low-level felonies. And here's a plot twist. Cox accused of conspiring to do that with convicted felon Joshua Baker, seen here along with Baker's separate indictment, which accuses him of actually causing more than $500 worth of damage to the woman's vehicle in August. Baker spent time in prison twice on separate drug and identity theft charges in 2016 and in 2022. He also got shock probation in 2022.
James, where are the two now, and is Cox still practicing law?
Well, Cox turned himself in yesterday on a $2,000 cash bond. He's now checked into a treatment center yesterday, as previously ordered by a judge in his previous case. Baker is still at large with a warrant out for his arrest, and Newport police confirmed to me they're still looking for him. As of right now, the Kentucky Bar Association lists Cox as active with no final record of discipline. That agency, along with the state Supreme Court, oversees lawyer discipline, and any lawyer convicted of a felony is immediately suspended, but Cox's previous convictions were for misdemeanors, allowing Cox to continue practicing for now. Now, I reached out to the lawyer representing both Cox and Baker, but did not hear back in time for this story. The ex-girlfriend's name has been redacted in court records, and because of the Cox's family notoriety in the area legal system, the state attorney general's office is handling the case through a special prosecutor. A spokesman there declined comment on the current case. Back to you guys.